It is 6:48. Checking back in with Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kiel this morning. A busy day for you and all the road crews out there.
It certainly is, and a lot of school districts have either canceled or delayed or getting early outs here early today due to the fact that we will get some snow here for the afternoon and evening. You can see those scrolling across the bottom of your screen, and you can also get the latest at kwwl.com as well as our news and weather apps. Luckily for your morning drive, the roads are A-OK. This is Storm Track 7 Live Weather Network right now in Waterloo. That's going to change rapidly here this afternoon. Once the snow starts falling, it is going to stick to the roads as those temperatures have been very cold the last couple of days. We're going to continue with the hazardous travel here through tonight, through tomorrow, as that wind does pick up with gusts up to 45 miles per hour at times tomorrow. As for today, notice this afternoon and into the evening commute, that wind is going to really ramp up out of the southeast between 15, almost 30 miles per hour. We could have gusts up to 35 or 40 miles per hour at times. As we head into the evening, you'll notice it'll still stay pretty windy, but overnight we will see those winds lighten up as that area of low pressure tracks pretty close to us. Anytime that happens, we see a reprieve in the wind, but notice it'll ramp right back up tomorrow out of the northwest, anywhere from 25 to 35 miles per hour, and that's going to create even more hazards after the snow comes to an end. No snow right now. Satellite radar has a cloudy sky here in eastern Iowa, but notice southwest of Des Moines already starting to see that snowfall, and it is covering the roads. This is just the start as this all is tracking off to the north and east. I want you to notice that pink shading in portions of Kansas and Missouri. That's some wintry mix with some sleet and freezing rain. Yes, that's in our forecast as well. We'll take it step by step with Future Track. Starting at 6 o'clock this morning, I want you to notice the winds that we've overlaid here. They're strong out of the southeast, and with temperatures in the teens, those wind chills will be cut back just a bit. As we go from 10 o'clock to noon, that's when the initial round of snow is going to start to move in. Notice our southwestern counties from New Hampton, I would say to Waterloo, down towards Cedar Rapids and Iowa City, points to the southwest. Right around lunchtime is when that snow is going to start. It's going to pick up very quickly in intensity as it tracks off to the northeast. By 3 o'clock, we're going to have those very gusty winds and some moderate to heavy snowfall. Not coming at a good time, as many of you are likely heading home from work. If you have any Friday evening activities, if you must go out, you'll certainly want to give yourself plenty of time to get to your destination, because we are still going to deal with the moderate to heavy snow through 5 and 6 o'clock. But I want you to take notice. Down to the south, we're going to have some warm air move in, not only at the surface, but a few thousand feet above us. That's where we have a concern for some sleet and freezing rain. That could get as far north as the Waterloo and Dubuque area. So this is going to be key on those snowfall totals. By the way, this afternoon, that snow is going to accumulate very quickly. So most of our accumulation will come this afternoon and evening. Overnight, we're going to continue with the snow, the potential wintry mix as well. Notice, though, the temperatures with that southerly wind will continue to rise as we head through the morning hours, but watch as we head into tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. We'll start here at 5 o'clock. Lots going on here. We've got temperatures in the 30s, some above freezing temperatures to our south, which could transition that snow and wintry mix over to brief period of light rain before light snow takes over through the morning hours. By 9 or 10 o'clock, we'll see that snow track off to the east, but notice these winds very strong out of the northwest. Temperatures will be in the single digits and teens by early afternoon. Snowfall forecast, blanketing the area with 3 to 6 inches. Regardless if you get 3 or 6 inches, the impacts remain the same. Roads are going to be very slick. With that wintry mix, we could see a glaze to potentially 2/10 of an inch of ice. That is mainly going to be in southern Iowa. In northern Iowa, we're most concerned for that blowing snow tomorrow as those temperatures continue to fall. And we're talking bitter cold here Sunday into Monday.